Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have got something truly special for all you interior design enthusiasts. If you are looking to revamp your dining space and add a dash of elegance, you are in for a treat. In this video, we are going to showcase 41 incredible dining table ideas that cater to various styles and tastes. From minimalistic marvels to rustic charm, we have got it all covered, so let's dive right in. We are kicking things off with the modern marvels that embrace streamlined and minimalistic aesthetics. Check out this stunning glass top table with metal accent, perfect for contemporary homes that love to keep things chic and simple. If you're a fan of that long, inviting feel, then our rustic revival segment is just for you. Feast your eyes on this reclaimed wood table that effortlessly brings natural indoors. It's all about creating a comfortable, down-to-earth ambience. For those who adore timeless elegance, we have got some excuse like options lined up. Imagine hosting lavish dinner parties around this classic mahogany table. It's all about sophistication and grace. Living in a cozy space? No worries. Our space saving solution segment will show you how to make the most of limited room. Check out dining tables that magically expand to accommodate guests. Eclectic decor levels or eclectic decor lovers. This one's for you. Embrace your artistic side with these unconventional dining table ideas that mix and match styles, colors, and patterns. The result, a feast for the eyes. And there you have it, there walks 41 dining table idea that span various styles from moderate to rustic, timeless to eclectic. We hope we have found inspiration for your next interior design project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in and happy Day. Wait. Before we wrap up, I had wise to remind you that our channel is a treasure trove of design inspiration. If you are passionate about creating elegant living spaces, don't forget to check out our previous videos on topics like the sophisticated living room decor, IS kitchen design, and even tips for organizing a space with style. We show tips also with picture background. Each video is crafted with the aim of helping you infuse elegance and modern flair into every corner of your home. Be sure to explore our playlist for more ideas that complement today's discussion. But wait, there's more. Before we sign off, let's talk about the latest trends in dining table design. Currently, we're seeing a surge in sustainable and eco-friendly options, with a table crafted from reclaimed material and incorporating eco-conscious manufacturing technique. Additionally, unique geometric shapes are making a statement, adding a touch of artistic flair to dining space. So,